The question is this: how do I mark all of my email across my entire Gmail account as read? I'm going to show you how to do that in Gmail and Google Workspace, but before I do, hit that subscribe and that notify button because I create all of this content for you. I'm going to demonstrate this in my Google Workspace account because this gives me a much bigger set of data to talk about. So in my inbox, you notice I have categories enabled: primary, social, promotions, updates, and forum. So if I'm in primary and I select all, you'll see that it says I've selected 100 conversations, but I can select all 8,000 conversations in the primary if I would like. And then when I click on that, it selects everything in that category of my inbox. And at this point, I can click on this icon here, mark as read. And I can mark all those messages as read. Or I can mark them all as unread if I wanted to. It might take 2 clicks to get to mark as read. Now, additionally, I can go to social or promotions or updates and do the same thing. Select all. And you can see it says I've only got 100 conversations selected because that's all I'm displaying on the page. I can select all 165 conversations, and again, I can click on mark all as read or mark as read. Again, I can mark them as unread. It takes 2 clicks. Mark as read and then mark as unread. Now, but there's another way of doing this. Instead of going across the categories to do it, I can go over here to more. I can go over here to all mail. And the reason why you would want to select all mail is not only will it get all those categories that are across the top of your inbox, but you'll also get all of the mail that you moved out of your inbox or archived. And you may have it in invoices, job search, social media, and all these other labels that messages can be in that may not also be in your inbox. But everything that you receive is in all mail. And in all mail, select that. And then I can say select all 25,940 conversations in all mail. And now I can click on mark as read. It might take a little bit longer. It is actually pretty quick. 25,000 might take a few minutes to do. So you got to be patient. But I can mark those all as read. Double click on it. I can mark them all as unread, which, by the way, would be crazy for me to do. But this is the processes for doing this. Either an inbox, go across each category and do one at a time, or go to all mail, and in all mail, select them all. And again, if you don't have all of them selected, select all 25,000 plus conversations and click that button. And this works exactly the same in Google Workspace as well as in Gmail. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.